Well, so Writer's Toolbox has been used throughout the year. Some children were only using that during COVID as well. The digital format, certainly for those senior students, they love that flexibility, that instant feedback. The buy-in from teachers was immediate. The children's enthusiasm for writing suddenly started to escalate. Boys are always an interesting group to look at because often they can be disengaged with writing. What we found with boys is the structure, the supports in place really worked for them. I mean, to have 12 sentence types, it's very crisp. And suddenly, when you start using trains to move a sentence around, so you start off with a very basic, simple sentence, and you put an ly start and a comma, and suddenly you're in charge of the sentence. So for me as DP, I'm quite excited about the program and the feedback from the teachers and the students. So that's my goal this holidays, is to sit down with Writer's Toolbox and have a play. I cannot wait to have that experience and see how I stack up in the writing.